Hey guys, today we're going to be doing some vampire makeup. I am really excited. I have a look in mind. I have my little vampire fangs and my fake blood and everything, so I'm pretty keen. So let's get into it. First I've already done my eyebrows and now let's not look at this, but anyway, I'm just gonna prime my eyes with a Pillows base. I always look in the mirror before I start my makeup and start squeezing everything right before I'm about to get on camera. I don't know why I do it, but anyway, I've covered it up. Okay, so for today's look I'm going to take the James Charles palette, his collab one with Morphe, and we're going to start by jumping into the red shade of the palette, which is this one here. You can see it is like gotten a workout. This is the one that I go to, like this is my palette I go to for Halloween, so yeah. But yeah, pretty much what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put red all over the eyelid. So yeah, I'm going to start that now. I really have no idea what the shade is called. I lost the slip a long time ago, so couldn't tell you. So yeah, I'm really going to try and build this up as much as possible. I really want the red to be kind of quite intense. I'm using the completely wrong brush. This brush is way too flimsy. I need something a bit denser. I just got back from my road trip. It was so much fun. It was my first road trip and my first road trip in my new car. And like since I got my license and stuff, and obviously like the first road trip that I like drove, and it was so much fun. Oh my god, there's some idiots on the road though, like just some of the stuff that people do. I'm like, anyway, but no, it was such a nice time. We went to Scamander. There will be a video up. It probably will be up before this actually. I did like a little vlog kind of thing. I honestly didn't vlog too much of the trip, but I kind of talk about that a bit more in the actual video. Yeah, sometimes it's hard to kind of vlog and be present with my family, if you know what I mean. I know it probably sounds like not a huge deal, but sometimes it's just hard. Like as I said, I do talk about it in the actual video, but like if I'm carrying around my huge camera, it takes like two hands to carry my camera, so that means like I can't like, for example, when we went to the like it was called Nature World, and it was like a wildlife park or whatever, and I wanted to film the kangaroos and stuff, but like then I couldn't feed them because I was holding my huge camera, and like it takes two hands, and obviously like it just doesn't work. So sometimes I kind of have to choose between vlogging or like actually participating in what my family and stuff are doing as well. I think once I get a new camera it'll be so much easier because it'll be kind of like the size of my phone. I'll be able to just film stuff, and you know, it'll be like, yeah, a lot better. So that's kind of what I'm waiting for, but you know, vlogs are not my priority at the moment, and that's just the way, like that's just the truth. Like I'm just kind of more concerned about SoJo Beauty and you know, building this channel at the moment, and then once this kind of takes off a bit more, then you know, I'll be able to focus on vlogs as well. But so next year I'm going to cut back a little bit on my YouTube, like this one. I think I haven't like fully decided yet, but I'm thinking about only uploading 5 days a week. So at the moment I upload 7. I upload every day, but I'm thinking that next year I'll upload for all the weekdays and then take the weekend off. I feel like that'll be such a nice way to kind of regroup for the weekend. For the week. It'll give me time to catch up on my editing, catch up on my family time. Like, I feel like it'll be a lot more manageable. I don't want to do it yet because I have a lot planned for this year. But yeah, I think that's what I will next year. And then I still will do my things like 31 days of Halloween and stuff if I want to, where I do upload for the whole month, and you know, so yeah, I have loved uploading every day. YouTube is like my life, but I think if I want to keep at it and I want to keep it practical, then it makes sense to kind of cut back so that I don't burn out, you know. Okay, next I'm going to take the black of the palette. I'm gonna just put it where I want it. Just kind of gonna stamp it on and then we can blend it. Alright, and then I think I'll like take the red and kind of just give it a good old blending, and I do want to be able to black up a lot more as well. I want to be a lot more opaque. So I have this week off work. I took it as annual leave so that I could make sure everything goes to plan and you know, get all my first week's videos uploaded and kind of get ahead and stuff. So yeah, I'm off the week, which is really exciting. I don't know how I'm gonna go for the rest of the month. 3 videos a day, that's a lot. One of them is only like the giveaway video, but yeah, still. But yeah, I think so today when you guys, today when I'm filming this, not when you guys are watching it, it is the 30th. Is it the 30th? Yeah, 30th. So tomorrow is the 1st of October. So I'm just going to, like, I feel like preparation is key. I'm just gonna prep everything as best as I can. I'm gonna just be as organized as possible so that when I'm back at work, like, it's all kind of smooth sailing, you know. We will clean this up as well, so no stress. So now we're just gonna blend. I don't think I need to do any winged liner. I don't really think you'll be able to see it anyway if I did, so I don't really think there's a whole lot of, like, much point. Kind of happy with just with this at the moment. Alright, then I'm gonna take like a big fluffy brush and do one big kind of blend. Alright, I'm gonna go off camera, I'm gonna do my lashes, and then I'll come back and we can do the rest of the things. Okay, so I've done my lashes and cleaned up and everything now. I just used the Morphe lashes in Yas Queen. They are very big, but I feel like we needed some very big lashes for today. So I'm gonna prime my face with the Becca Skin Love primer. I'm gonna go for something matte, or a bit matter today. Normally I'm quite a dewy girl, but I feel like, I don't know, I feel like the vampires aren't dewy, you know? This Skin Love primer smells so good. Amazing. It smells like watermelons. I have something in my dressing gown. I got the fire started today, so there's like a little stick in my dressing gown, you know what I mean? Anyway. For foundation today, I'm taking the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation in F6.5. I'm pretty sure this is like matte, isn't it? It doesn't really say, but anyway. I'm pretty sure this is quite a light shade, which is perfect. We want something light today. You know those vampires don't get any tan. I'm just gonna take that on a sponge and blend. Okay. To one side. I don't know why this is taking so long. I feel like it's because it's not a squirty tube, because I have to like paint it on. It just seems to take so much longer, but anyway. Okay. For concealer today, I'm just going to take the Colourpop Pretty Fresh Concealer. It's in the shade Actually, no, I'm not. I'm going to take the Fenty Beauty one. This is the Fenty Beauty Concealer in shade 100. I never get to use this because it's too light. But it'll be perfect for today because I need some light. Okay, and I'm gonna set my concealer and set my face with the same thing. I'm just gonna use the Laura Mercier powder all over. I don't want to add any colour, so I'm just gonna take the translucent powder. And I'm just gonna set the rest of my face with the Laura Mercier powder as well. Okay, so I'm not going to do any bronzer or anything. Once again, the Vampire's out. She's out getting a tan, but we are going to do contour today because I really want that defined face. I feel like they're always kind of sharp and yeah, very defined. So I'm going to take my Tarte Pro Glow To Go palette and I'm taking the Chisel shade. I'm just going to use that to contour today, and you guys know I do not contour very regularly at all, so I'm also going to just try and make my forehead look a little bit smaller as well. I don't want to bronze, but I do want to look very defined and very chiseled. See, you can see the illusion coming alive. We really want that small forehead. And I'll do some under my jaw line as well. Just took the pigment off and I'm going to blend it. I'll just take my big brush. Make sure it's all blended. Okay. I'm going to highlight just a tiny amount. I'm just going to take the light gleam shade and just put like the smallest amount, like just the tip of my cheekbone, just like that. Nothing too crazy. Okay, now let's get to work on the under eyes. So I'm gonna jump back into the James Charles palette and I'm gonna take the black again, just like really close to the lower lash line. I don't want it too thick at all, just like that. And then I'm just going to take the pigment off the brush and I'm going to like blend it out, fade it a little bit. And see, the Vampires do have those little veins, but I just don't know if I want to do that. I feel like I'm kind of just happy with it like this. So I'm just going to put some mascara on now. I'll take the, where is it gone? This is the Bare Minerals Lashtopia. I'll put that on. Okay. Before I do my lips and everything, I'm going to do my hair and put my outfit and stuff on. And then I'll be back, I'll do lips and we will look at the finished look. Okay, so now I'm going to open my fangs. I really don't know what way they're meant to go. I look so hard. Like, I don't know if maybe I should just like, do you reckon if I cut them in half? I just feel like they look so fake. I mean, I don't know how real I was expecting them to look, but I'm gonna cut them in half and see if maybe it looks better if I just put one in. I don't know, anyway, okay. For lipstick, let's go. So first I'm going to take the Ari Cosmetics lipstick in latex. I'm kind of just going to do this around the outside. Just like that. Then I'm going to take the BH Cosmetics Liquid Linen in the shade Maria. It's like a red. And just put that in the middle. Kind of like ombre it, I guess. And then I'm gonna put a gloss over it. This is the, oh well, this is a lip oil. This is the Colourpop Luxe lip oil. Just to make it look very shiny. Okay. Then what I think I'll do, I'll grab some of my fake blood and I'll just put like a real tiny bit in my mouth. I don't know really what to do about the fangs, but maybe I'll just use them in photos. Okay. I feel like that's all I need. Okay, so this is my finished vampire look. What do you guys think? Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I hope you're enjoying my Halloween series, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!